Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 1981 Corvette. This is a clean title, clean Carfax car. It's a C3. If you're familiar with these, the 81 did not come in a convertible. So this was one of the cars back in the 80s that they converted into a Roadster with 69 parts, which I've come to understand now it wasn't common, but they did a number of them. And this was one of those. So the top, which I have pictures of, I'm not going to mess around with it. All the components around that have been upgraded or modified for the 69 convertible. The car itself is immaculate. It also just went through a complete rebuild on the engine. I think it was it's either 16 or 20 grand. I wish I have all the receipts for that and documentation. I don't have it at my shop. I took it home to study it, unfortunately, and so today I'm just going to work on the cosmetic condition of the car, which is pristine. My customer that currently owns it saw this car like 20 years ago and wanted to buy it and missed it, and then the guy that he bought it from went to sell it and called him, and 20 years later he just ended up buying it. Now he's liquidating stuff for real estate purposes. So it's got new tires on it. It's super clean. There's a bunch of clear bra on this. So there's a strip here behind the fuel. You're probably not going to be able to pick up, but it travels that for fuel protection. So, I mean, the paint and body are in really, really good shape. So it's the top. The top's, I don't know if it's new, if it's been replaced, but it's in new condition. So, and I have that's well documented on the in our photographs. So super, super clean. I have a 75 that was given to me from my father. That was the last year of the convertible and the Roadster, so that's got a hard top and a soft top. You can buy a hard top for these, surprisingly enough. We don't have the hard top. Not sure, I mean, I suppose people would want it for just to have it, but man, they're a pain in the neck to put on. And I will never put mine on again. And most people are never going to use them. You've also got clear bra on the front of this that comes from the nose all the way back to here. There's a seam right there, and you can see that, and I picked that up in the video. And there's a little peeling, so right here is the clear bra that's just come detached. The rest of the nose, I've got pictures of the light, so the vacuum system works as it's supposed to. Well, it may be better than it's supposed to. It works quick, surprisingly enough. The brights work. So it's pretty clean. Power seats, power windows. Upholstery's in great shape, so is the carpet, door panel. Start it real quick, walk through the gauges. So I have one set of keys, and I have a whole boatload of documentation on this car, which I will have pictures of in the ad itself, and would be glad to talk to anybody about if they had questions. So there you go, Chevy V8, passenger side door, passenger side seat, it's clean. So the center console is not cracked, that's a bit of a surprise. Those are almost always cracked, and they had a custom made leather armrest here that just slides in right there. That's pretty nice. So there's your emergency brake, obviously, power windows, automatic transmission. It is an AC car that is not blowing cold. It's not going to surprise anybody. You have a JVC cassette deck. Your gauges are all operational, so fuel gauge, your amps, your oil pressure, oil temp, and temperature gauge all work. Hold on. So lights, so I can see the middle indicator that the brights are on is working. I've got pictures of the lights and the brights, just so that you know. And there's a lot of people won't know this, but there's a button up in the left-hand corner of the floorboard to operate the brights, which I can't find currently. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, that's my car. Excuse me. It's on the wand, and you have cruise control. You have a tilt wheel, which works. Horn works. So left turn signal, operational. Right turn signal, operational. There's probably a hazards. Yep. So hazards. Wipers, I don't know if the wipers work actually, let's see. Wipers don't work. I don't know if that's because of the hood. Oh, there you go. Wipers do work, look at that. One more time for the wipers. There you go. I'm going to turn this off. Glove box is clean. We will include all the service records that show all the work that's been done on this car. It was a complete engine tear down and rebuild. And then you also have a power antenna, which works. So that's nice. Super clean, really nice car for the money. Definitely a driver. Really, really clean paint and body. There's not a mark on it. If you have questions or would like additional information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354. And thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.